The split wall tool is used when you need to split a wall into multiple different pieces. In this example, let's zoom into this room right here between your column grids 3 and 4. What I'd like to do is split this wall up into multiple pieces. To begin doing that, we need to first select on the wall, then come up to the Split Element tool up here on the ribbon. Click on Split Element, and the most important thing is this box over here, and it's called Delete Inner Segment. If we have Delete Inner Segment checkmarked, what it will do, and you'll see this little X-Acto knife blade saying I'm going to split wherever this blade is touching. So click once right about in this location. Because Delete Inner Segment is checked, if you click again, it'll delete the inner segment between the first spot and the second spot that you picked. So this wall is still a full height wall. This is still a full height wall, but there's no wall located in this location anymore. Now the other thing that you could do, and in order to execute this, let's hit escape on the keyboard a couple of times, come up here to the undo key and select undo twice. The first time removes the second split that we did. The second undo removes the first spot that we clicked on the wall. So select on the wall, come up here to the Split Element tool, and in this case, let's do the second thing that we can do, which is clear out Delete Inner Segment. It'll no longer ask us to click twice to create an opening. In this case, we're only going to click once. Now move your X-Acto knife blade until this one line goes straight up and down, right in that location, right down the center of this wall. When you're there, click. It doesn't look like anything has happened. Now, on some monitors, you might see a line going straight up and down at this point. It just sort of depends on the computer that you're at. Hit escape a couple times on the keyboard, and one of the things you'll see is if you highlight over the left-hand side and then highlight over the right-hand side, that this wall is now split in half exactly in that location that we just selected at. And by doing this, we can now select on the right-hand side and then hit the delete key on the keyboard to delete that inner wall segment that was there. So the split tool allows us to either delete the inner segment between two spots that we pick, or by clearing out the check mark for delete inner segment, it'll split a wall up into one half and then another half.